How to create an avatar video for the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on advanced features. After that, we then scroll down. In here, tap on Galaxy Avatar. Now we scroll down and then tap on create an avatar video. From the pop-up, tap on lock screen. Now just wait for a few seconds for the style to pop up. In here, you can scroll across and select a style that you would like to use. So for example, this one I have downloaded already. I can tap on that. Here, there is also a music button. You can turn it on or off. You can move your image around the screen. You can also pinch in or pinch out to make it larger or smaller. Once you're happy with the preview here, you can then tap on saved. Now this will save your video into your gallery. And after, you can apply it to the lock screen. Now it wouldn't take too long, maybe just maybe 5 to 10 seconds. Once that's completed, you can now tap on done. Now if we go back to the home screen and then tap to open the lock screen, and that is your avatar video on the lock screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.